Okay, so I think I should draw this like well to be able to explain what I mean by JK. So let me draw a diagram like this. So we have this and the tower here. So there's a tower like we said, and then this is first part, this is the second part. So there's a 30 degrees mark, and this is the 33 degrees mark. And we were able to say that if we find the distance from the aeroplane or the pilot, which we've already done though, so if we're able to find this distance, big H, the height, and then we know this part here, which we'll call JK. So that's what I wanted to show, just what JK means. So we'll call this JK, and then we'll call this L. So if we know JK, which we'll call, let's say, Y, and then we subtract H minus Y, we'll be able to get KL, which we'll call X. So you understand that X plus Y gives you the total height, which is the big H. So that's why we've already found the big H, which is 5 point what's let me check it. We found that to be 5.520 kilometers. Okay, so all we just need to do now is to find Y, and for us to do that, you see Y corresponds not to 33 degrees, but if you see it corresponds to this is the triangle that Y corresponds to, because you know it's just from here to here, so it corresponds to just this triangle here. So we have 30-degree mark here, and you know we have 8.5 here, so it's the same 8.5 that's here, because it's the same distance from here to here. Okay, the same distance from here to here too. All right, so if we know Y, so now we know that the the diagram where Y is this diagram now having 30 degrees, and this is 8.5. So to know Y, we know this is opposite, this is adjacent. So opposite of adjacent is tan. So we have tan 30 degrees is equal to Y over 8.5. All right, so that means Y is equal to tan 30 times 8.5. So that will give you what? That will give you 4.908 kilometers. All right, so we have 4.908 kilometers. So we can say Y is equal to 4.908 kilometers. All right, so we know big H, we know Y, so we can just put it in the equation and get the final answer for X, because that's what they're asking us to find. They're asking us to find the height of the tower. This is a tower here, we'll just call it T, and we said it corresponds to KL, which is on this side for the height for the pilot to the ground. So this side that corresponds to the tower is what we're looking for. So we called it X at the time, I think. Yeah, we called it X. Yeah. So we already know Y, we already know H. So we'll just put it in an equation format. X plus Y is equal to H. We do not know X, which is the height of the tower, plus Y, which we just found out now to be 4.908 kilometers. We know the big H, the total height is 5.520. 5.520. All right, so now you know that X is equal to 5.520 minus 4.908 kilometers, and this should give you 0.612 kilometers. 0.612 kilometers, and in meters, if we just do this in meters, you have 612 meters. So I think you understand the point here. Finding this X here, which now we know is 0.612 kilometers. It corresponds to the height of the tower. So x is equal to t. So we know now that the height of the tower is this. So we can just say t is also 0.61 kilometers or 6.12 meters. Since it's height, we obviously possibly will put it in meters. So we're done with the question. We're done with the question. We're able to work on the shortest distance between the pilot and the base of the control tower, or calculated the height of the control tower. And I think that's where the bulwark is